What's going on YouTube? Haterback making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Shiba Inu, Floki, as well as Doge in our afternoon episode. This morning, we talked about XRP, the S&P 500, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Solana. If those are of interest to you, then definitely make sure to check out this morning's video on the channel here. But today, we need to look at the continued correction that's taking place within Shiba Inu and a lot of these other cryptocurrencies, which is by no means a surprise because we've actually been seeing a lot of this happen over the past couple of days on other cryptocurrencies. Like this morning, we saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. They're all starting to nosedive to the downside here. XRP has already done it, but we're going to start to see how that's affecting these other meme coins too. SHIB, as you can see, is already starting to continue its correction here. We're mapping out what appears to be a monumental, monstrous bull flag formation, which I'm excited to see break bullish at some point or another. We have Floki. We're going to have to tweak the charts again because, again, we don't have some solid supports here. Definitely some interesting movements. We'll jump to the 4-hour because I'm noticing potentially a descending fractal here, maybe some sort of 4-hour or hourly chart that we can check out here. But then we're also going to look at Doge, which is breaking down as well. Lastly, before we dive into the technical analysis, super quick, BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel that has Shiba, Floki, as well as Doge to leverage trade. Not many exchanges offer that. Is giving away $200 to people that sign up with the link down in the description and make their first deposit. It's that simple. It's that cool. It's that easy. It's completely free to do. You can literally deposit money and then withdraw your money and then keep the bonus and do whatever you want with it. So make sure to check that out. Link is down in the description below. And I'm also still doing my Amazon gift card giveaway. If you guys want a chance to win an Amazon gift card as well as a chance to get some free merchandise from BidFi, then definitely make sure to comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below. Comment SHIB, Floki, Doge, whatever crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, whatever it is that's your favorite, comment it down in the comment section below, as well as make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Drawing will be this Sunday, and if you're not subscribed, I will be picking a new winner. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's dive right into today's episode. So guys, let's pick up where we left off a couple of days ago here. You can see we've been tracking what appears to be a pretty monstrous size technical indicator forming on a lot of these major cryptos. XRP was doing it. We had, or sorry, my apologies. Shiba Inu was forming it here. You can see drawn right here. We then started to adjust it to asymmetrical or a descending triangle. And then that has now continued to become what appears to be an even bigger descending fractal here inside of what appears to be a bull flag. And I'm excited to go over a lot of these with you and kind of figure out what it is that we have going on here and how we can move forward. We originally had, like I said, a downtrend, a support, and it was some sort of descending triangle here. But what we ended up doing was adjusting the support because we didn't really have that much price floor. I mean, you could consider this the symmetrical triangle and we broke down from it, and that's fine, or descending triangle, we broke down from it, that's fine. But really, now we have a lot of, history. We have a lot of price action that can allow us to pick what exactly we're dealing with. And we're more so reviewing and seeing what appears to be a very solid descending fractal, and that's what we have to talk about today. Now, that's pretty much where we left off. You can see we've pretty much adjusted that. Breaking news, Shiba Inu forming a massive pump. I have proof, and that's in regards to the bull flag breakout here. For those that are new, bull flag, we're not going to type in the other thing, but if I type in bull flag, you can see that's what it is here. Binance does a great explanation of this. What is a bull flag? Bull flags are identified when an asset is in a strong uptrend. The chart pattern resembles a flag on a pole indicating bullish price action. You can see this is the flag pole. That's exactly what's happening here on Shiba. Boom. Then we have two. The pole represents a strong move to the upside, often accompanied by an increase in volume. The flag forms when the price consolidates in a falling trend. Well, you can see the price consolidates in a falling trend. Then it goes, if the price breaks resistance of the flag pattern, the bull flag is complete, confirming the pattern. Traders then expect further upward movement. So obviously, the long-term play on SHIB is waiting for the price to break through this resistance here, which you can clearly tell we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, practically 2 weeks, week and a half of rejection off this resistance here. So when we can confirm closing above this on the daily, then we know that we're going to be heading to the upside. And that's kind of what we're dealing with today. That's where I would likely expect to see Shiba Inu move to. Now, as I zoom in closer, you can get a better kind of overview of what exactly we're dealing with here. This is a much broader or much more in-depth viewing here. This is Shiba on the 4-hour charts. We have the beautiful flag pull, the beautiful flag to the downside here. And we're looking for that breakout. We just had a death cross, a bearish cross right here. Not a good sign, but we're going to extend these charts to incorporate what's going on here. We're going to extend this as well. Not enough to say for certain what exactly is going on here, but you can clearly see resistance up top, and we just recently rebounded off support. There's only 2, though, which is a bit concerning here. But either way, I would expect us to fill this in. However low we go is up for debate here, but once we can confirm a breach above resistance, I would likely expect to see a pretty solid run to the upside here. Now, I'm going to tweak this a little bit. I kind of want to like incorporate this top resistance here. It's a bit harder to do. We could make it out. I'm going to leave it like this for right now, but you can see this is kind of this bull flag descending fractal that we're dealing with here. So once we complete it, wherever that floor might be, we could easily be double bottoming here. That's a big possibility. We'll see if that's it. I'll draw a horizontal line just in case. You can kind of see where that bottom seems to be playing out. I'm going to leave it like here because you can already see where we've had resistance. These wicks try to break through. And now we're using it as a support where the wicks are also trying to break through. So maybe we'll use this now to gauge some movement. Hopefully we can break to the upside here. But again, I'm very bullish on SHIB. We've seen enough retracement and correction within SHIB to open up doors for a pump to the upside here. Quick refresh reveals SHIB is currently down 22%, which is insane. And a lot of these other cryptos are down too. Doge is down 22.97 for the week. And we have Floki, which is down 32. So everything is correcting as expected. What goes up must come down. Makes total sense to me why the dump is happening here. But anywho, not only can you take advantage of these trades on BidFi, not only are we giving away $200 in free crypto here, BidFi offers, like I said, they have Shiba right here. You can see they have Doge. And they even have Floki, which is awesome. So you can trade all these cryptocurrencies right here on BidFi all in one place. The #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Even cooler, which I want to let you guys in on, is if you go to my previous video or you click on the video today, you click the link down in the description. I'm still waiting for them to come out with that didn't work. We're going to have to fix that ASAP. I hate when they change that, but we're going to have to fix that ASAP. But anywho, they're doing a giveaway right now where you can actually earn, we're doing a giveaway of 200 I think $200 worth of Shiba Inu, which we're giving away for free, which is awesome. So you guys, I'll have a banner of it in tomorrow's video for you guys to take advantage of here. But beyond that here, BidFi is offering welcome reward sign-up bonus as well as a demo trading account here. So not only can you earn the the $200 in deposit, but then even cooler, they have right here, let me pull it up, they have a way to earn over 2,000 in free rewards by completing these tasks here. New user, advanced, and exclusive tasks, all for free. So you can earn over 2K by doing that. And then they have a demo account which lets you trade all the major cryptos, including Doge, which is awesome too. You can see XRP as well as Dogecoin here. You can leverage trade. They give you $50,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. Then when you're ready, you can switch on over to the live account and actually trade around with real crypto, which is awesome too. Anywho, moving forward from Doge, looking at these other cryptos, Floki is definitely an interesting one. As I've said before, I think we can like jump to like the 3 or 4 hour and start to notice there's some sort of descent here. There's some sort of downtrend that's definitely hard to kind of capitalize on, is something like this. And then we have some sort of trend like that. Who knows when this is going to break? This is typically bullish. At the end of the bottom of this, at some point or another, we should reverse up, but it's when, and that's what we need to deal with now. So I'm going to delete this real quick, this uptrend here that called for the correction here. I don't know if we have a solid support yet. Maybe this, I don't know. We're trying to find that bottom support just yet, and it doesn't seem like we have one to really encapsulate the overall market here. It doesn't seem like this is it at all. I mean, maybe at one point it was like this, and we broke through that right here. But again, now that we're correcting through it here, we're waiting for some sort of bottom, and then we should be able to reverse up. We do have some horizontal lines that we could draw in here. Let's see. Right about where we currently are here. But again, keep your eyes out on this kind of descending fractal here on Floki, because at some point or other, this is going to bottom, which it could be right now. And as early as like the 20th, we could reverse back up to the upside here, as this is a solid descending fractal, which has a bullish kind of textbook tendency here. But all the other cryptos, Doge, because Doge is trading so high up, same with Shib, but Doge is so much so integrated with all the other major top cryptos, with Bitcoin and Ethereum dipping to the downside here. Doge is doing the same exact thing. So like I said before, now that we've hit the top and we didn't break through it, correction down a moving average is a necessity here. And I even mentioned this in previous videos here. If we go back earlier to like, let's see, if we go to, let's just pick this one from 4 days ago. I made a video and I showed on Doge that now that we're at the top here, there's a good chance we should be dipping and correcting through it. I don't know where yeah, just like this. Doge would be dipping and descending back to the downside here. I used to have it on the daily. I don't know where it is. It was probably in another video, but dip to the downside. This correction that we're already starting to see is what we were anticipating and expecting. So check this out. We literally called it. Here's the dump, and look, here's the dump. I mean, it's so easy to predict stuff like this here because of how obvious it is, how textbook obvious it is. Here we are on Doge's 4 hour, filling in the gap, dump to the downside. Here we are, we filled in the gap, dump to the downside. It's literally identical to what we had said. Here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. And that's why we were able to short this. And now I would even expect to see Doge eventually pull itself potentially all the way down to this price floor. We could easily go down to 10 cents very quickly here. So this is a good short opportunity. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.